Of all the human's ability, one stands out: the ability to see the bigger picture, the things that are important in life, and not to be distracted by small, trivial and irrelevant things. The intelligence to separate the message from the background noise. The big picture is about the grand goals, the big dreams and aspirations people treasure in every stage and aspect of life. But how can you grasp and hold on the bigger picture? What does it really take? So here I'm about to show you the 5 rules of personal success. The number 1 is get your priorities right. Setting priorities right is about making intelligent choices, deciding what goals to pursue in which order, which take vision and foresights. Entrepreneurs like Microsoft founder Bill Gates, Apple founder Steve Jobs, and Facebook's founder Mark Zuckerberg had such a vision and foresight. They could see how technology could change the lives of everybody, and came up with a product and service that will turn their vision into reality. Getting your priorities right is about choosing whether you want to go to school, start your own business or work for somebody else, whether to get married or stay single, whether to have children or not, whether to stay married or get divorced, and you have to choose how to spend your money. Number 2, and also my favorite, is staying focused. Staying focused means sticking with your priorities and goals, focusing on the message, not on the background noise, and executing, taking the right steps to reach your goals. That's all that matters in the end. It takes patience, persistency, and discipline to stay focused. Patience to overcome the hurdles and stand between you and your goals. Persistency to overcome the failures, setbacks, and temptation that may take you off the course. And discipline to play the game right, to comply with all the rules. Know what you are doing, be punctual, and work out all the details. Number 3. Nothing worthy comes easy. Every person who is successful works their butts off to make their dreams into reality. If a person wishes to be successful, they must put in the work. That may include doing extra work not asked for. But what I believe to be the most effective is to consistently work on you every day. A person may have to read books or take up classes, but they must invest in their idea or they will not succeed. Be the person with all the answers, and if you can't find the answer, create one. Be different, work now and play later. The best investment is to learn more. Learning allows people to grow and view different perspectives. Even after humans die, their hair and nails continue to grow. That's all the proof that I need to understand that with work and learning comes growth and success. Number 4. Develop the right relations. Reaching a certain goal requires moral and psychological stamina. It takes skills and resources. This means that in pursuing personal success, people need friends and partners to overcome the many obstacles that stands between them and their personal goals. At school, friends can provide moral and psychological support to endure and overcome the pressure that comes with class lectures, homework, exams, and term paper deadlines. Partners provide their information and expertise to go over complex concepts and to complete coursework projects, sharing of class notes, participating in discussion groups. At work, friends provide moral and psychological support to endure and overcome workplace-related stress, meeting project deadlines, handling customer complaints, and dealing with internal policies. Partners provide skills and expertise to complete complex projects that require cooperating among several parties. Number 5 and the last one for today's video is don't be greedy. Greed is the idolization and relentless pursuit of something that lets people distinguish and set themselves apart from the others. Money, power, status, and so on, the feeling that they never have enough of it, and nothing can stop them accumulating it. Greed is an obsession that, like alcohol, numbs people's sense, blurs their vision, and makes them lose sight of the big picture. Greed leads people to live a life of imbalance and disproportion, a life of reckless and dangerous behavior. People who want everything in life fail to negotiate with others and compromise and end up losing everything. People who want everything from personal friendships and partnerships and become selfish and arrogant end up destroying them. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe for our channel for more videos like this. Until next time, peace out.